Page 71, headphones or subtitles, please. Remember, adding and subtracting decimals means you must line up the decimals, and adding and subtracting fractions means you must have a common denominator. This right here is interesting. The associative property of addition says you can group any of the numbers together, and it helps you add numbers with different signs. So this example right here, there's spend, which is negative, and then she made, which is positive, and then she sold, which is also positive. Okay, so she's got a negative, positive, and the positive. So group the positives, and then you've got different signs. Subtract. Take the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. So this one here, negative, positive, positive. I'm going to combine 2.0 and 3.5 because they're positive, lining up those decimals, and you get 5.5, and now subtract. 5.5 minus 1.5 equals 0, 4.0. Okay, got some fractions here. So this is positive, negative, negative. So let's put these two together. 2 plus 2 1/4 equals 4 1/4. Remember, that's negative. So plus, let me clean off some space here. Four 1/4 minus 3 1/4. Are the same denominators? So yes, on that one. 4 there and 4 there. Yes. Makes us happy, and we can subtract. 1/4 minus 1/4 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 1. So this is just going to be 1. But remember that the 4 1/4 is negative, so we need to keep this negative as well. Negative here, positive here. I'm going to combine my negatives. Let me make some space for that. 2.75, 3.25, another 0, 1, 6.0, but that's negative, remember. So it's negative 6 plus 5 equals negative 1. Okay, positive, positive, negative. 15 plus 8 is 23, plus negative 3 equals 20. Use a number line. Okay, I'm starting right here at negative 3, and I'm starting negative, going more negative. So I'll go negative 1.5. So I'll get negative 4.5. Starting here at positive 1.5, going up 3.5. So positive here, and I'm going up 1, 2, 3.5 to get to 5. Number line here, positive 1/4, is going to be here. So these are both positive. then I'm going to go up 1/2, so I'll go here to 0.75 or to 3/4. Remember, you need a common denominator, so this 1/4 plus 1/2, you have to change this one. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2, so you get 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 3/4. Negative here, negative here. So starting at -1 and 1/2 here, and then I'll go 1 negative plus 1/2 for -3. Positive here, negative here, +3, and then I go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down to -2. -1.5 to +4, starting here, and I go up 1, 2, 3, 4 to 2.5. Vincent borrowed, which is negative, his mother to go to the theater. A week later, he paid her, so that's positive. So how much does he owe her? Nothing. He paid everything back. Used her debit card to buy lunch. That's a negative. On Tuesday, she deposited. That's positive. So what is the overall increase or decrease to her bank account? Again, $0. Find each sum without using a number line. Okay, no problem. Let's get some working space here. Okay, work the problems in your notebook, please. Okay, so that first problem, 2.7, okay, so that's negative, and that's negative, and that's positive. So I'm going to combine these. Let me make that look like a 5. And then 2.0. 5 here, 2, 725. Remember, that's negative. And then I've got 2.75, so I need to subtract. Here, bar, get a 6, make a 6, make that a 12, get a 5 there, 4 there, but keep it negative. Okay, so there's negative, positive, positive. Put these two together and you get 10.2. That's negative, so now we need to subtract 12.2, 12.4 minus 10.2. So just bring your decimal down. 2, 2, but keep it negative, negative 2.2. Okay. Positive, negative. Aha, these are the same, so these will cancel. Cancel, cancel, and you'll just get negative 12. Negative, positive here. So 4 and 1/2 minus 2. So you get 1/2 here and 2 here. So 2 and 1/2. Okay, so here you've got negative, positive, positive. So put your 1 1/2 and your 2 1/2 together. 1 1/2, 2 1/2. Add those up. So here you get 1, and here you get 3 plus 1 equals 4. Now you've got 4 minus 3 equals 1. Positive, negative, sorry, positive, positive. These two almost cancel. So I'm going to say that this leaves 1 here. So this goes away. This leaves 1 here. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Positive, negative. So 3/4 minus 1/4. Two-fourths. And that's negative. But negative 2/4 can be reduced to negative 1/2. Negative here, negative here. Add the whole numbers. So negative 9 and 1/8. How can you use a number line to find the sum of negative 4 and 6? Well, here's negative 4. Here's 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 4, that's negative, and 6 is positive. So start at the negative 4 and go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's supposed to be an arrow to 2. Okay. Thank you.